Alright guys, we're back with another video. This time we're going to be trying out
Asian. We just went to the store, we bought a bunch of different snacks. We don't really know what they are because we couldn't read the labels.
Or where they're from.
But they look pretty exotic, they look pretty good, so let's see what they taste like.
Alright. What does it look like to you, bro?
This is Hawthorne Soft Maltose. For those of you that don't know what this is, I don't know what it is either. Let me see.
Come on, strong guy.
Hey, this is packaging from another.
There you go.
It smell like my breath.
It smells like tamarindo, doesn't it?
Yeah. No, it smells like guava.
Oh. Alright.
Here. You say guayaba.
No, bro, it's Hawthorne.
This is good. This is better than the Mexican candy. The guava one? Cause like the other one has a bunch of seeds in it. This
I
one
can see that, bro. Chocolate? What does it say, bro?
It says, DK.
Bro, we're not racist. I got a bunch of Asian friends. Oh, I like the packaging.
Man, this is nice.
It looks kind of cool, you know.
Ooh, this is definitely a Twix bar.
This is
white.
Asian Twix. How does it sound?
Oh yeah, that's definitely a Twix, bro.
I like that.
Oh wait, look.
This is good as fuck, bro. Better than the Twix. I don't know what this is, but this is better than Twix. I mean, not Twix. A Kit Kat.
A Kit Kat.
Bro.
That has egg on it.
That's it.
Yeah. Oh, don't smell.
Oh, you see that, bro?
Just smell it?
It doesn't smell like anything. It just smells like Asian. That's not racist.
I'm kind of nervous.
I'll go first. It's just hard as like a churro, bro. It's just like a churro that you left out for a couple of days.
It does. It looks like one.
Like, you know, you had a churro and then you're like, I don't want to eat this, so then a couple of days later you're like, oh, my churro, and you just ate it. It's alright. You like this, bro?
I didn't like that one.
No. What are those, bro?
These are gonna be like the
Mexican ones?
No. What are they called?
Oh, no.
The one with the gold.
Oh, yeah, the wrapper?
Yeah, the gold wrapper.
Yeah, those are good.
What are they called? The Ferreros.
It smells like There's like those Mexican ones that come like that.
The disco? For a second, I bit into it, thought it was a chicharrón.
Those have the crunch.
That was alright.
I like them. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be good.
Oh yeah. This looks good, bro.
Again. This is good.
Product of Japan. Hey, shout out to Japan, bro. They need to sell these in Mexican stores, bro.
For real. This is
But
good.
maybe we just need to go to Asian stores.
That's it.
Mas?
Oh, what is that? I did take Japanese, so I mean, I didn't say I passed, but I like the packaging. The packagings are always so good. I like these.
Squid?
Low-key,
It's got a salt packet in it. It's got to be like some kind of beef jerky.
Squid jerky.
I don't know about this one. Warning. Consuming this product can expose you to chemicals including lead. It cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harm. Let me tell you something about this warning label. It's on everything. Because everything in the state of California causes cancer. Smell it.
It smells like fish.
It smells like fish? Oh, fuck.
You ready?
I'm not. Oh, wow.
It's good, isn't it?
That's pretty good. Can't even taste the lead.
It's sweet, isn't
That's
it?
pretty good, yeah. Product of Taiwan.
I don't know.
I don't know where that is.
I mean, I know where that's at. In Asia. Nah, but it's alright. I like it.
It's seafood jerky. It's
Sure,
cheaper because it's only
Oh yeah,
$3.15 a bag.
it's way. Japanese rice cakes. Help yourself, bro. This is like a mochi, or what are they called? This is what I tasted some of these before. Not this flavor, but those are good.
They're jelly filled.
Yeah.
It's like a marshmallow. Right? Like an Asian marshmallow.
I wouldn't think so. I wouldn't call it a marshmallow.
Bro.
Can you put this in s'mores?
Why wouldn't
I didn't think so.
Why would you just put in so much? I'm taking these. Those were really good. Except for
those.
I didn't really like the squid one. Like I did,
But it wasn't the best.
but it wasn't like it's not my go-to. I prefer that American beef.
Anyway,
teriyaki
guys,
beef jerky.
this concludes our.
I would pay $20 for a bag of beef jerky rather than paying $4 for a bag of squid. You with it?
Nah, I wouldn't. I don't really like beef jerky that much.
Yeah.
Anyways, this concludes our Asian snack test. What did you think?
I liked all of them. I liked the marshmallow one.
Yeah, the
marshmallow
mochi.
one was good.
I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm
That
probably
one was
butchering
good.
the name, but
The melon Jolly Ranchers,
No.
those are good.
Jolly Ranchers.